In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Developer tab in Excel. If you work with macros, the Visual Basic Editor, form controls, or add-ins, the Developer tab is where all those powerful tools live. By default, it's hidden, but turning it on only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few quick tips along the way so you know exactly what you're enabling and why it matters. Start in Excel with any workbook open. Move to the top left corner of the window and select File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you manage settings, accounts, and global preferences for Excel rather than the content of your spreadsheet. Next, choose Options near the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. That opens the Excel Options window, which controls how the app behaves. If you've never been here before, think of it as the command center for customizing Excel to fit how you work. In the Excel Options window, select Customize ribbon. On the right side, you'll see a list of the main tabs that appear across the top of Excel. This is where you decide which tabs are visible and how they're organized. Make sure you're looking at the main tabs list on the right, not just the command lists on the left. Find the entry labeled Developer in that right-hand list and check the box next to it. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the list carefully. It usually appears near the bottom with other core tabs like Home, Insert, and View. If you're using a managed work computer, there's a small chance your organization may restrict changes here. If the option is disabled, you might need to check with your admin. Once you've checked Developer, click OK to apply the change and close the Options window. You'll land back in your workbook, and you should now see the Developer tab on the ribbon, typically to the right of the View tab. Before we wrap up, a quick tour of what you've unlocked. The Developer tab gives you buttons to open the Visual Basic Editor, record and run macros, insert form controls like buttons and checkboxes, and manage add-ins. One important tip: macros can be powerful but also risky if they come from untrusted sources. Only enable and run macros you trust, and keep an eye on Excel's security prompts. If you ever want to hide the Developer tab again, repeat these same steps, uncheck the Developer box, and click OK. That's all it takes to show or hide it whenever your workflow changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building faster, smarter spreadsheets with the Developer tools now at your fingertips.